Hi there, and welcome back to the BioStar Air tutorial series. Today, we're going to walk through how to bulk upload users using a CSV file, a great time saver when you're onboarding a large team or updating access for multiple users. To get started, head to User Management in your BioStar Air portal. Then click on Add Users and on Import Users. From there, hit the Download CSV Template button. In your CSV template, you will be able to find user information fields such as user ID, name, language, user group ID, email, mobile phone number, and invitation method. You will also find fields dedicated to access information such as user type, temporary or normal, access rights, for access levels, floor levels, as well as start and end dates. Finally, you will see BioStar Air supported credential types, such as mobile pass, web QR, link pass, RFID, or even face. Oh, and talking about faces, we will see how to upload user photos to use as a profile image, mobile pass, or biometric template in another video. Let's see how to properly enter user details. We will focus here on a few key areas. Let's start with user group ID. You can find this number in the user group screen. Enter each group separated by a comma if a user belongs to multiple groups. For access level ID, you can grab this number from the Access Levels page under Access Management. And if you want to give full access, just enter the number 1. Emails or mobile numbers are needed if you're sending invites via email or SMS. And remember, each one has to be unique. Finally, you can write yes or no under each credential type to provide user with the right access method. Once you've filled out the CSV, head back to the BioStar Air portal and select the file on your computer. Then click Next. You'll see a new panel with the import settings and the data configuration containing a user import preview. Check if everything is in order, and if something looks off, go back to your file and fix it before uploading again. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Import. All the imported users will now appear in the user list. A few tips before we wrap up. Don't skip required fields like name, language, and start date. If you're just issuing an RFID card or biometric credential, no email or phone number is required. But if you are issuing a mobile credential, web QR, or link pass, you have to add an email or phone number as well as the preferred invitation method. And make sure email addresses and phone numbers don't repeat. Duplicates will cause errors. There are a few important rules you'll want to follow to make sure your CSV file is successfully validated by the BioStar Air system. Let's start with the user key. It can be up to 32 characters long and may include letters, upper or lowercase, numbers, underscores, or hyphens. Just keep in mind, you can't start the user key with an underscore or hyphen. Next up, phone numbers. These should begin with your country code, followed by a space, and then the rest of the number without the leading 0. As for dates, BioStar Air follows the ISO 8601 format. That means year, month, day, and time in that order. It helps the system stay consistent across time zones and regions. Now, one last thing before you upload. User types have specific rules. If you're adding a regular user, they can be issued any type of credential, including mobile, QR, RF cards, and more. But if you want to use the mobile plus QR option, make sure to include a mobile card ID. It's required for that to work. For temporary users, the rules are a bit different. You can't assign them a mobile card ID, mobile plus QR, or RF card. Instead, you can give them either a web QR or a link pass, but not both. It's all about making sure the right people get the right access in the right way. That's it for this walkthrough. Now you know how to validate and upload your bulk user CSV like a pro.